Let's jump right into this explainer. Today, we're uncovering the gritty, completely invisible chemical battlefield that's raging right beneath your soil. Most growers spend so much time obsessing over the canopy, checking the lights, measuring temperatures, but true mastery, it actually requires looking down. We're going to deconstruct the root zone, the hidden science of nutrient uptake, and how understanding this underground engine will literally transform your entire grow. Most soil growers think the battle starts in the bottle, but the real fight is happening underneath the surface. I know that frustration. You do everything right up top, but this hidden matrix underground just throws your whole grow totally off balance. You measure your inputs, you follow the charts to a T, and yet the plant tells a completely different story. The one-off's weird, growth stalls out. That's because the real fight isn't about what you pour out of a bottle. It's happening in that invisible zone where chemistry, biology, and plant metabolism actually collide. So why are you constantly chasing pH? If you've spent any time at all growing in soil, you absolutely know this struggle. You know the visceral pain of those mysterious yellowing leaves, the sudden deficiencies, and those endless panic-driven pH corrections. You add more water, you add more acids, you're just reacting, right? You're trying to force the medium back into line, but the problem just keeps coming back. So why exactly does this happen? Part 1. The hidden root zone battle and chemistry machines. Look, the biggest mistake we make is assuming the nutrient water we mix up is the whole story. It really isn't. The real story kicks off the exact moment that water hits the root zone. Here is where it gets fascinating. Your roots are not just passive straws sitting there drinking. They are active, pH-producing machines. They don't just take, they trade. Think of it like this. When your plant takes in cations like potassium and calcium, the roots actually release acidic hydrogen ions. And what does that do? It pushes your soil's pH down. But when they take up anions like nitrates, they release alkaline hydroxide ions, pushing the pH up. So your plant is literally changing its own chemistry with every single feeding. It's a two-way street. Part 2, the generic fertilizer trap. So the crucial point here is that generic mass-market fertilizers actually trigger a dangerous chemical reaction inside this underground engine. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4. CB's generic formulas are built for general crops using cheap raw materials. They aren't designed for the highly specific uptake patterns of cannabis. Because they lack that precise balance, they end up weaponizing your root's natural exchange system against you. You get forced into this brutal tug-of-war. It starts when you feed an unbalanced generic formula that leans way too heavily on nitrates. Because of that imbalance, the plant takes up those nitrates, dumps alkaline molecules back out, and boom, your medium's pH drifts uncontrollably upward. In a panic, you pour harsh acids into your rooting soil trying to fix it. You are literally fighting your own nutrient mix. It's madness. And the results of all that? Total chaos. A stalled plant where adding more bottles just creates more lockouts. When you're stuck in that tug-of-war and the pH drifts out of the optimal range, your nutrients literally become invisible to the plant. Calcium gets hidden, phosphorus gets locked up tight, vital micronutrients just disappear. And the worst part is a lot of growers respond by just pouring in more fertilizer, which, you guessed it, only compounds the disaster. Part 3. The pH perfect shift. But here's where the BigMike method changes the game entirely. It's all about engineering a system specifically for this plant's unique metabolism. BigMike has been in this world since 1983, and the whole philosophy behind advanced nutrients wasn't to just copy generic agriculture. It was to ask, what does this specific plant actually need? Built for cannabis uptake patterns, stabilizes root zone chemistry natively, works with soil buffering capacity, and completely eliminates harsh pH corrections. Instead of dominating the medium with harsh acids, this philosophy feeds the plant while keeping the root zone totally stable. The pH-perfect technology is engineered around precise ratios and nitrogen sources that harmonize with the plant. It actually respects and works with the natural buffering capacity of your soil. No more panicked correction. Part 4, your underground nutrient arsenal. Let's open up the toolkit and look at a badass science-backed arsenal designed to make this whole system work. Because true precision in soil growing isn't about throwing 10 random bottles together and hoping for the best. It's about a coordinated system. And we start with the foundation. For beginners, this flexible 3-part base, pH-perfect grow, micro, and bloom removes the absolute biggest stress point, which is chasing pH. It gives you total foundational control. It lets you learn exactly how your plant responds across different stages, all while ensuring the chemistry stays right in that perfect sweet spot where nutrients remain fully available. Now, whether you want the straightforward Sensi system or you're an advanced grower pushing genetic ceilings with Connoisseur, your base is your backbone. Sensi is just beautiful for growers who want a clean, comprehensive two-part system without turning feed day into a literal chemistry exam. But if you're super experienced and looking to absolutely max out yield, potency, and terpene expression, Connoisseur is the premium flagship route to unlock that full, top-tier performance. But look, a base nutrient is really only the start. Underneath the surface, Voodoo juice brings the beneficial bacteria to colonize the root zone, turning it into a hyper-efficient underground network. Remember, soil is alive. You have to support that biological engine. Stronger roots mean better nutrient access, and better access means a significantly stronger plant overall. It's that simple. Next up, to defend against environmental swings and transplant shock, B52 deploys B vitamins, kelp, and humic acid to keep the plant's metabolism roaring. Soil growers constantly deal with moments where the plant just needs a little help staying vigorous, right? Well, B52 acts as your core system support, ensuring the plant's energy levels never drop, even when things get stressful. Then, when it is time to flower, Big Bud delivers the L-form amino acids, phosphorus, and potassium for serious wheat and mid-bloom bulking. Right alongside it, Bud Candy feeds the microbes with critical carbohydrates and pushes your terpene profile, aroma, resin, and flavor to the absolute max. These two work so perfectly together in soil because they support both the physical flower up top and the microbial life down below. It's a double whammy. Finally, we have Overdrive. This is your secret weapon for that massive second wave of late-phase flower development. Right when plants normally start to stall out and taper off near the finish line, Overdrive steps in and gives them that final, highly targeted push to keep building bulk and packing on resin. It's a real game changer for your final yield. When you put all these pieces together, you get a map to victory, a precision system of base, roots, stress, bloom, and finish. Foundation, root health, vigor, flower, finish. It proves that method will always beat luck. This isn't just a random stack of bottles. Every single product here has a specific, scientifically backed job to ensure you are supporting the entire ecosystem, rather than fighting the medium. Part 5. Stop fighting the medium. As you evolve as a cultivator, you realize that true mastery isn't about blind recopying feeding charts. It's definitely not about treating your soil like it's just dirt holding a plant upright. Soil is a complex, living partner. You have to make the ultimate shift from the old way, reacting to the chaos, chasing pH, fighting the medium, to the BigMike Method, actually reading your plant, stabilizing the root zone, and feeding the plant. The old way keeps you stressed out, treating deficiencies that isolated problems. But this new mindset, you stabilize the root zone, you feed the microbes, and you see the whole system. And let me tell you, once your system works in harmony, the canopy gets consistent, the leaves prey, and the growth becomes highly, highly predictable. The true hero of the garden isn't the bottle, it's the grower who understands the why. So I'll leave you with this. Are you going to keep treating your soil like a battlefield, fighting it every step of the way? Or are you ready to finally unlock your plant's true genetic potential? Thanks for joining this explainer, and remember, always respect the underground.